How would you display a single user? That is part of the exercise that you need to do. But what you need to do is you make a request to get a single user. So I think I have a little bit of that in the thing. But you can first make it work with regress. That was why those exercises were staged that way. But you could return a single user. Get user list, get user ID. So this is how you could get a single user with the user ID. So you figure out what the user ID is, and then you return that one from your user list. You probably want to have a loop where you actually search the one with that ID rather than that particular index in the list. We got to transition. So yeah, so single user, you get something like here, but you need to figure out which user ID has the position. So we loop through the user list. Positions. This one I'm certain does work. So, and then if user list user pause dot what was the ID? So the ID property. Equals user ID found user or int equals user pause. So found user int equals -1. And then instead you do something like user int and so we don't need to check the range, that particular range anymore. We just need to check that it's bigger or equal to 0. And then we say, okay, we need to, of course, we can actually just stick with this variable rather than needing to use this. So this is a way in which you can do that. So you have a default value that is something, not an index. Okay, yeah. Okay, wants me to get rid of the okay, redundant parentheses. Yes, my Python is a bit rusty, but so this is how you could do that.